Okay guys, this is Mike. Let's have a quick update together about gold. In the previous video, I did mention actually the price about 2,930 to about 2,950 is going to be very important for me, and I'm expecting a downside movement, a rejection after gold reaching to about this area. I'm expecting a rejection to the downside. Maybe that's going to be the all-time high and very top for gold. In my opinion, I'm going to show you few resistance I have got on chart. First is this one, this trend line. As you can see, for few months gold was playing in this channel, broke it to the downside, back tested, and now is going to back test this trend line we have got in here for another time. And my opinion, when gold actually reached to about this area, this resistance is going to work, this trend line is going to work as a resistance for gold, in my opinion. If we use the February pivot for gold, R2 is in here. Just let me remove this alert I have got in here. As you can see, R2 or resistance number 2 is here. The R1 is here. As you can see, we had few days rejection, and it's a new day and new week. We are above this R1, and it might go continue to reach to about this R2 or resistance number 3. It's actually, we have got this trend line and R2 in here. I'm going to show you one thing which is really important for me. On daily time frame, we have got overbought on RSI as well. As you can see, RSI is about 76, 77 now, and is so overbought on daily time frame. I'm going to show you one thing is really important for me on weekly time frame. If we check the RSI, it looks like we have got bearish divergence as the price of gold made a new all-time high, but the RSI on weekly time frame has got a lower high. On weekly time frame, that might going to be the all-time high for gold, and we are going to see a big rejection, in my opinion. But let's see what's gold gonna happen. But what is really important for me in here, as you can see, we have got as a red zone, or actually it looks like a trend line, work as a support and resistance in the past, and in here as a resistance, and 2020 as a resistance, and now we are in this zone area again. Why this one is important for me? Let's check this one. We use the clone actually. We are going to see gold is playing inside of this bigger channel we have got. As you can see, the bottom of channel and the top of channel, the bottom of channel, the top of channel. And if we are going to see another rejection to the downside, the bottom of this channel is going to be 2,200 for gold. It looks like gold is playing inside this channel, as we do have bearish divergence on weekly time frame, and we have got several resistance. We have got this zone, the red one. Maybe on daily time frame we are going to see actually gold to reach to about this area, but on weekly time frame get rejection and back to this area again. We have got this trend line, which is really important for me. We have got the February pivot for gold. R2 is about this area. We have got too many things and too many resistance about this area for gold. Yeah, on daily time frame, on 4-hour time frame, actually, if we use the moving averages, gold is bullish at the moment, but we should see a top in the next few days or weeks. And in my opinion, 2,950 is going to be a very top for gold. Yeah, if gold actually can stay above this area, I'm going to change my mind and maybe stay here for a few weeks. I'm going to change my mind, and I'm not bearish anymore, and I'm going to be very bullish on gold. But in my opinion, actually, when gold reaches to this area, at least for temporary, we are going to see a big rejection to the downside again. And after that, we have to check actually which direction is going to be for gold, the upside movement or downside movement. But at the moment, because on daily time frame we have got overbought RSI and we have got too many resistance about 2950, in my opinion, actually gold going to see a big rejection from this area. On weekly time frame shows me maybe this is going to be a very top for gold, at least for a few years, in my opinion. That was all from me for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. See you guys in the next video.